Welcome to textbook reading. The topic is maps and reading maps, taken from CBSE 5th Standard Social Studies, first chapter, Know Your Planet. Maps. A map is a representation of the Earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mappo, which means a napkin. Gerardus Mercator, a Flemish map-maker, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. A book of maps is called an atlas. We can draw maps on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities, and even a neighborhood. You can draw a map of your school and show all the details on it. In this way, a map is better than a globe. However, the Earth is spherical in shape and its surface is curved. A curved surface cannot be shown correctly on a flat surface such as paper. Try to cover a ball with a sheet of paper without creasing it. You will not be able to do it. So, it is not possible to make an accurate map of a curved surface. However, small areas can be represented fairly accurately on maps. This makes maps useful tools to study the Earth. Types of maps. There are different types of maps. Physical maps show the physical features of a place such as mountains, plateaus, plains, and rivers. Countries, states, and their capitals are shown on political maps. General information about climate and rainfall of a region is shown in climatic maps. Besides these, there are maps that tell us about the industries, population, transport, minerals, crops, soil, natural resources, forests, and wildlife of a region. Reading maps. Maps give us a lot of information about a country or a place. We must know how to read a map and understand the information it provides. Every map has some basic features. They are as follows. Directions. All maps follow a system of directions. The four major directions are north, south, east, and west. The top of the map is north, the bottom of the map is south, east is to the right, and west is to the left. The directions on a map can also be shown by an arrow marked N, which points towards the north direction. The other directions are then easy to find. We can also mark the four intermediate directions on a map. Northeast lies between the north and the east. Northwest is between the north and the west. Southeast is between the south and the west and the east. Southwest lies between the south and the west. Scale. It is not possible to show the actual size of the earth on a map because it is too large. Let us suppose that the ground distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 km. It is not possible to show these cities to 200 km from each other on the map. Therefore, this distance is represented by a smaller unit, say 5 cm on the map. The ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as the scale of the map. In this case, we would write it as 5 cm is to 200 km. Maps are always drawn to scale. Symbols. There is not enough space on a map to show mountains, rivers, lakes, bridges, dams, temples, churches, and railway tracks. However, a map without this information would not be useful. Different symbols are therefore used on a map to give us this information. For example, the land boundary of a country is shown by thick dashes and dots in black. A city is marked by a small circle. Colors. We use different colors to show various things on a map. Generally, maps follow a common color scheme. For example, on a physical map, water bodies are shown in shades of blue. Light blue is used for shallow waters and a darker shade of blue for deep waters. Plains or lowlands are shown in shades of green. Highlands are shown in shades of brown. A key is given on a map to help us understand the color scheme and the symbols used. Look at map 1.2. Its key shows the height of land above sea level or depth of water below sea level. It also shows that the colors represent on the map. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thank you.